In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear out old vendor bills already paid in QuickBooks. If your payables list shows bills that you know are already paid, you're in the right place. We'll walk through where to look, how to filter your list, and what to do in each of the two most common scenarios so you can clean things up confidently. First, sign in to QuickBooks and head to the Expenses and Pay Bills area. This is where you manage everything related to vendors. Inside, switch to the Bills view so you're looking only at vendor bills, not other expense types. To zero in on the problem items, use the filter for Unpaid. This instantly narrows the list to bills that are still open according to QuickBooks. Now, open one of the bills that shouldn't be open. Your goal is to determine whether there's already a payment recorded in QuickBooks that just isn't linked to this bill. A quick way to do this is to go back to Pay Bills and look for a matching payment, credit, or unapplied amount for the same vendor and dollar amount. If you see it, select the bill, confirm the payment account and date, and apply the payment so the bill is marked as paid. Save your changes. This links the existing payment to the bill and removes it from the unpaid list without creating a duplicate payment. If you don't see a matching bill to payment connection, you may be in the second scenario. The payment exists in QuickBooks, but the bill itself was never entered. When that happens, record the bill now with the correct vendor, date, amount, and any necessary details like terms or memo. Once the bill is saved, return to Pay Bills, select the new bill, and apply the existing payment or credit that matches it. Again, be careful not to create a new payment. Simply link what's already there. As you work through the list, repeat the filter for Unpaid to confirm items are clearing out. Double-check that the vendor name, amounts, and dates match so you don't accidentally apply the wrong transaction. If something looks off, for example, a payment was recorded as a regular expense instead of a bill payment, you may need to edit and reclassify it before it can be applied. When in doubt, review the vendor's transaction history to see the full picture of bills, credits, and payments in one place. When you're finished, your bills view should reflect only what truly remains unpaid, and your vendor balances and aging reports will be accurate. That's how you clear out old vendor bills that were already paid in QuickBooks.